All right, this is our first matchup of round 2 of our 120 plus proof tournament. This is the only one where we differed. I liked the Booker's Charlie's batch. And what did you like?
The no-name Wolcott.
Wolcott Rickhouse Reserve. Yeah, I can't speak. Mine are both beam bottles.
You got knob and Booker's. I got knob and Wolcott. Yeah, okay. This one's thinner, lighter.
I think mine are about the same. Mine are the same. Oh, yeah. I'm going to give a nose. What, you got the one on the left? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Nice. Traditional.
Got a little bit of a ethanol heat.
Yeah, not too bad.
So that might be, it smells higher proof. So, well, they're both of mine are, they're both over 120. So I don't know what the hell I'm talking about.
This one smells nice. Traditional stuff. A little caramel, vanilla.
All right.
My second one doesn't have too much. It's a little funk. Okay, let's just that's it.
All right.
Ready?
You ready? You're gonna go.
Ooh, a little hot.
The first one? Yeah, mine's a little hot too.
It's a
little hot. And I think I get a little oak on the palate.
A lot of pepper.
Knob Creek Single Barrel Reserve, filled at the distillery by Deb. 120 proof.
I think that's a knob because I think I get that little taste. I never know what it is. I think it's that peanutty.
Okay. It's a little spicy.
Oh, that's spicy. Spicier than I thought it was.
I was thinking it was the Booker's. But then again, mine probably tastes similar. Okay, I'm going to smell this one again. This one, I don't get much off the nose as this one.
This one I don't either. But it could be two different things here.
Right, one of ours is the same. One's different. Is this the darker one?
Oh, yours is definitely darker, yeah.
Yeah? Well, what about that one?
It's half gone. That's a little darker.
This could be the Booker's then. It's a little darker. Okay, here's where Deb and I differed. I preferred the Booker's 2023-02 Charlie's batch, coming in at 126.6 proof. And Deb preferred the Wolcott Rickhouse Reserve, coming in at 120 proof. Total wine pick.
I know this is the Wolcott because I remember it's kind of one note, a little smoother than this one. Pretty thick too. A little ethanol at the end.
A lot of heat on this one. You know, if one of these is a Knob Creek, I just remember when I had that Knob Creek the first time that I thought it was so sweet and not much ethanol, and I'm getting proof on both of these.
Well, they're pretty high proofs.
The point is, I'm not oohing and on over it.
Yeah, like you did the first time.
That was the first time, yeah.
It would be funny if I picked the Wolcott.
You're gonna pick Deb's gonna have Wolcott go all the way to the end.
Nobody's ever even heard of it.
Okay, I'm going to the first one. The first one, we added a little water. Let's get a little nose. Let's see how it changes.
A little sweeter still.
Now I'm not getting the heat that I got the first time.
I like the nose better on my first one, but I'll be darned. I like the second taste better. I think this one's a little too hot for me. It's got a little funk to it where this one doesn't have the funk. Let's try it again. I think I'm going with the Wolcott, right?
You are upsetting me.
I can't help it. I like what I like. I like the Knob Creek when we got it, but compared to this, and this one's just a little... Don't get me wrong, it's good. There's a lot more going on at the end than this one.
Yeah.
And I think I like a little less going on. That's all I'm saying.
I'm getting a little more flavor off of the one on my right. I'm getting I don't know if it's the more peanut or whatever. A little more complex, and it's not as hot for me.
Yeah, that's mine on the right's not as hot either, and I like that better. Well, this was really hot. One last time.
Is one spicier than the other for you?
Mm-hmm.
Which one's that one's spicy?
Much spicy, yeah.
Okay.
A little better with the water added in it, but.
Well, I'm going with my right.
That's the one you're picking?
And you're going with your right. And it looks like we're going to be split again.
Do it one more time. I don't know. This one's really thick.
The one on the right's a little sweeter to me. But again, you know, we can't say right and left because, you know.
My left smells nicer. It's got a little more flavor. You know what?
One of these two are going to face the stag. Neither of these are going to be the stag.
Well, I'm changing my mind. I'm going with the left one.
Okay.
With a couple drops of water, it really tamed it.
Okay.
And it's much better.
You don't have to change it.
No.
Oh, we're going to be different again.
That's why we can't decide right away. One last time. I don't know. I'm going with the right one. The left one's just too hot at the end. Go with my first instinct. What do you think?
Let's see what we got.
I'm going with the right.
I'm going with the right.
Okay, how do we know what's what?
You gotta look at the bottom. I got a B.
I got a B.
So you got the Wolcott and I got the Bookers. So moving on.
A was the knob? Yeah, I thought so.
Moving on.
Wolcott. You went with the Bookers?
Wolcott and Bookers.
Let me try your Bookers.
You're not going to show?
What?
Show for the camera. Wolcott and Bookers. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our station.